Hi friends, this week we're talking about transportation and I'm going to read a book about a construction site and the vehicles that we would see on a construction site, like a bulldozer or a excavator or a dump truck. And our book is called Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site. Can you help me say goodnight to all of the vehicles? Thank you. Here's our construction site. What do we see? I see a bulldozer. I see a dump truck. I see a crane truck. I see a cement mixer. And I see an excavator. Those are all vehicles that you can see on a construction site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Look, what do you see? The sun is setting. That means it's getting late in the day, and our construction vehicles are ready to be done. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. That is a crane truck. It lifts things up way up high. Has a long arm called a boom. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. It's dark, he's ready to sleep. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says good night. Can you help me say good night to the crane truck? Say shh, good night, crane truck, good night. What kind of vehicle is this? This is a cement mixer. It carries the wet cement. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. What's he doing here? He's dumping his concrete. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, and turns off his light. He's ready for bed. Do you take a bath before you go to bed? I'll bet you do. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Can you help me say goodnight to the cement mixer? Tell him. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. This is can you tell me? It's a dump truck. It carries big loads. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. See? Big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and he wants to sleep. He's all done for the day. It's dark out. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors. And soon his engine slows to snores. Can you help me say goodnight to the dump truck? Say, shh, dump truck, Good night. Bulldozer. The bulldozer pushes the dirt and sand and other things around. Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar. No one's tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. Look, his eyes are getting sleepy. He's ready for bed. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, and stops his track. He curls into a soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. He's all curled up and ready for bed. Can you help me say goodnight to the bulldozer? You can go, shh, bulldozer, good night. Great job. What's this? This is an excavator. It digs dirt and other things and makes big giant holes. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. Gives out a big yawn. There. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. He's all snuggled up, ready for bed. Can we say goodnight to the excavator? Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. Look, it's dark out. I see the moon. All of our vehicles are asleep. Turn off your engines, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, what? Shh. Good night. I hope you like my story, friends. Bye.